Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring the essentials are in place: an Azure subscription, a resource group, and EOT Hub enabled. Once done, register your Barou device in the portal so Azure can authenticate it. This is critical because device identity prevents failed connections. Make sure you have the device serial, firmware version, and API key on hand, since you'll need them when creating the device identity and provisioning profile. This early setup prevents permission issues later and speeds the provisioning flow. Next, you provision the Barou latch. Create the device identity in EOT Hub and enroll it in Device Provisioning Service so it receives the correct hub assignment. While enrolling, configure the network credentials and push any required firmware updates. Failing to update can break protocol compatibility. You also decide on authentication. Use SAS tokens for quick setup or X, 509 certificates for stronger security. Once configured, validate device twin properties to ensure desired configuration reaches the latch. Finally, validate and deploy. Run connectivity tests and send telemetry to confirm the Barou latch, report status, and accepts commands. Deploy your automation once the device twin shows correct reported properties and desired settings reconcile. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Check EOT Hub logs and device logs, verify certificate chain or SAS token validity, confirm device clock is synced, and ensure network firewalls allow required endpoints. Fixing one of these common issues usually restores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.